Hi guys, I am here with the May Birchbox. I'm super excited. I haven't had a subscription box in ages, like honestly ages. So I'm excited to show you guys what's in here. Box is super cute. Oop. The card says, "Hello sunshine, spring sure looks good on you." And then of course the back has a description of all the items and what the full size price would be. I will tell you, this box smells like heaven. I don't know which item it is in the box that smells so good, but it smells really good. So the first item in here that I've actually already tried is this Yensa BC foundation. So it's supposed to be a BB and a CC cream. It's full coverage foundation with SPF 40. This is in the color medium warm. I tried it. It's way too light for me. It looks a little crazy. However, the coverage is really nice, really pretty, very dewy, glowy. So if you're in the market for something like that, this is probably a good one to pick up. I really didn't have any complaints besides the fact that it was too light, like way too light. I couldn't make it work. And full price, that would be $38. It's supposed to brighten skin and blur pores, lines, and imperfections. I will say that, like, I felt like my skin looked really good. So the next item is this Oribe Grandiose Hair Plumping Mousse. Damn, I should have used this today. Amp up the volume with Luxe Mousse that delivers crunch-free body. Work a golf ball sized dollop through damp hair, then scrunch. Blow dry for even more volume. Full size is $39. This is the size I got. We're gonna try this. Oh, this is what smells so good in the box. Oh, this is weird. Like, it's normally like really fluffy. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. I wanted to play with it, and I needed to know what smelled so good in the box. I think it's this. Ooh. I can't get addicted to a $39 hair care product. Like, I really can't. I have way too much hair for that. Okay. The next item is this Amika The Cure Multitask Repair Treatment. Leave in to strengthen your strands and repair damage in 60 seconds. Apply to damp hair, leave on for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse. $28 for a full size. And it's a woman-owned company. Pretty cool. I needed a hair mask, so awesome. The next item is this Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm. This multi-purpose 100% natural formula works to rehydrate skin and lips, soothe sunburns, tame unruly brows, and nourish thirsty cuticles. $14.50 for a full size. And this is a clean beauty pick. Okay, it's like that. It has like a little pink thing here. It says 100% natural. For some reason, I thought that means it's colored, like that color. Having a hard time getting it out. Oh, there it is. Ooh, that's thick. Like, I could barely get it out. And it's sticky, but I like it. I like sticky glosses. I use them the most at night. The next item is this Balance Me BHA Exfoliating Concentrate. A full size is $37.50. Thanks. This chemical exfoliant gently removes dead skin cells, reduces blemishes, and improves hydration to reveal brighter skin. Apply to face and let it dry before applying next step. And it's another clean beauty pick and woman founded. Hooray! I can't use it now because I already have makeup on my face, but it's a salicylic acid rich concentrate. Let's see if this smells like anything. Oh my God, that smells good. I can't tell you what it smells like. Not a clue. I'm terrible with scents. It's like kind of beachy, kind of orangey. Oh my God, this smells so good. This is what smells so good in the box, which is weird because it didn't spill, at least not that I'm aware of. I'm really liking this box because they're all things that I would use besides this. It's the only thing that I'm going to toss. It's even too light for me in the winter, so I'm going to give it to somebody else. But everything else in this box I'm super excited to try. It was definitely worth it. This is my first month with Birchbox, so I don't really have a lot of experience with them. But drop me a comment below. Let me know which subscription boxes you like and what you got in your May Birchbox because I'm nosy. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.